Hi there, Greg King here, and welcome to my video on Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos, 5 Best Thumbnail Generating Sites. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 best thumbnail generating sites that I know of. Now, there's a ton of them out there. I've used all 5 of these, and they are all great. They all have slightly different features, but they all work great. Then in a moment, I'm going to use Canva to give you an example of how quick and easy it is to actually get a thumbnail up and running on your video in a matter of moments. Then I'm going to put a link in the description and also in the video of how you can get your thumbnail and your video up on the first page of Google, the first page of YouTube, and in the video carousel. So number 1 on the list is Canva. Now I'm not gonna lie, I like this program. I was introduced to it about 4 years ago, and it's one of the best online graphic design tools on the market today, and it allows you to create some incredible YouTube thumbnails. It's free. You can get the paid one, but everything I do is on the free side, and it works. And it works for all the videos, all the thumbnails I do for the videos. Now, the second one is called Photor. Now, it's another great tool you can use to create spectacular YouTube thumbnails. It pays special attention to YouTube thumbnails, designs. It provides photo editing, graphic designs, and it has the cool thing about it. It has 500 collage making templates, so you can make some pretty amazing thumbnails. Number 3, Snappa. Just like Canva, it's a jack-of-all-trades style of application and allows you to do a lot more to create just YouTube thumbnails. It's one of the best graphic design tools that I've seen, and it's for non-designers because its versatility and ease to use. I like it. It has both a free and a paid option. I go for the free one just because I'm with all due respect, I'm cheap. Now the next one is the next one here, I haven't got it right here. The next one here is Adobe. Now, Adobe's Adobe, and it promises to make easy thumbnail creation processes, and it is really good. Now, it's like Canva in a number of ways, and can be used in a number of different functions. But unlike Canva, it doesn't charge you to use the pre-made thumbnails like Canva does. So that's one of the real benefits of this. And that's one of the reasons I really do like the Spark. The next one is Photor. Now Photor, as you can see by the photo here, it is beyond cool. And it offers incredible thumbnail creation tools. And it's got some advanced features. It provides you with eye-catchy themes. I mean, you look at that and I think, holy smokes, like with the colors, and it's pretty cool. And it also provides you with a clean and smooth interface to allow you to edit your thumbnails, and allows you to put the elements that you need into it. So it'll give you a really good appeal to your thumbnails. Now, it's super easy to use, and you can get the paid one or the free application. Once again, the free application doesn't give you all the benefits, but you know what? For YouTube and just to stand out, the free one actually, or the free version actually makes it incredibly easy to use, and above all, it will make you stand above the crowd. Now, I'm going to show you how easy, I'm going to show you the example from Canva, how easy it is to use and how you can do it within minutes. Now, I'm going to give you an example of how easy it is to use Canva. First time it takes, there's a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get it down, you can make thumbnails in a matter of moments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a design up at the right-hand corner. And then I'm going to hit the thumbnail, and that's the proper size of 1280 by 720. And it actually does the proper format for that. Then I'm going to do, okay, we're going to make something kind of cool. So I want a cool background because I've got a photo of a shirt that's kind of makes it the same. So I'm going to pick a yellow, and it's that simple. Then I'm going to go to my uploads, and I'm going to pick this picture. That's me. And I'm going to just make it a little larger. Bring it over here and put my whole face into it. Like that. And I click here, and that's my face. Then I'm actually going to put a logo on that is make money on YouTube. So I go up to elements here. That's the fourth down from the top. Hit that. And then I'm going to pick a free element, which is this one. And the color absolutely sucks here, but that's okay because I go up here and I change the color. And I'm going to do a YouTube color, and that will be white on the inside and the edges will be red. And that's about the right size. I can make it a little larger just by pulling these down. And then I go to the upload again and make money on YouTube. And I'll make it just a little bit smaller by hitting these bubbles here. And make it a little bit smaller so it fits inside here nicely. Now, in the meantime, I can actually bring this up a little bit as well. There, that looks good. And my next thought is do it without making videos. So I go back down to the elements. I'm going to hit the same one. Make it a little bit smaller because the actual copy is not going to be as big. And once again, I don't like the inside here being red, so I'm going to make it white. And then the exterior, instead of the border, instead of making it brown, I'm going to make it, I'll make it red again, what the heck. And I go back up to uploads, and these are all the uploads you take as screenshots or whatever you can do, and just customize it yourself. And then what I do here is I just click it, I size it down, bring it in here. There you go, without making videos. And now I'm going to put some little different caption in here. So I'm going back up to elements, and I'm going to click it again and pick another one, same kind of size. And the idea is to put some color in it. And once again, with the thumbnails, they have to stand out. And like I had mentioned before, it's kind of like going to the library and seeing a book. And sometimes you don't know what the book's about, but the cover totally captivates you. And this is what you want to do here. And a lot of the times people will put in straight stuff, so I want to just move it around here slightly, bring it down, and then change the outline from that brown to make it black so it sticks out. And then go down the fifth one, it's text, and add a heading. And I'll just put in 5 best thumbnail shots. And what I want to do now is I want to bring it up slightly to slow it down a little bit. And then what I can do is I can bring it up to here, turn it sideways the same way, maybe throw in a couple of exclamation marks. I'm not a real fan of the color, so I think what we should do with the color is give it some pizzazz. So maybe we want to do yellow and make it look like that. So there you have it, done in 3 or 4 minutes. Make money on YouTube without making videos. 5 best thumbnail sites, my face there, and that's ready to go. You come up here and you see where it says 5 best thumbnail sites. You hit the download. PNG is the one that's really suggested. That's the one that gives you the highest quality. And then you hit download, and it'll put you right on the computer. Is that not easy or what? I hope you've enjoyed today's video and found it informative. And as I had mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm going to put a link in the screen and also in the description box of how you can have access of getting your video with your brand new thumbnail to the front page of Google, YouTube, and the Google Carousel. Take a look at it. If you don't have time in the next couple days, take a look at it. and see if it makes sense to you or not, and you be the judge. Now, in the meantime, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, so you don't miss any of my videos, and leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.